Hello, amazing people. Let's solve this given equation here, okay? We are expected to find the value of b, okay, that will satisfy this given equation. Now, from here, let's first of all write solution, okay? So from here, our question says b plus b equals b times b times b. Now from here, if we add all these b together, b plus b is 2b, 2b plus b is 3b, okay? And this equals b times b is b squared times b is b cube, okay? So we'll have b cube here, okay? Now in our next step, we are going to equate everything to 0. We are going to first of all write b cube minus 3b equals 0. Now looking at this, we can see that we have a common factor, which is b. So write b, open parenthesis, b cubed divide by b will give us b squared. Okay, so we have b squared here. Minus 3b divided by b will give us 3. Okay, and this equals 0. So this is how our equation looks like. Now from here, we can apply zero product rule. Okay, now according to the rule, we can say that either b equals 0 or b squared minus 3 equals 0. Okay, so we have gotten the first value of b as what? 0. Now from here, from this one, which is b squared minus 3 equals 0, we need to find the value of b there as well. But note that 3, okay, 3 equals square root of 3 squared, okay? 3 equals this note here. 3 equals square root of 3 squared, because this square will cancel out this square root and we'll still have this value to be what? 3. So 3 here equals square root of 3 all squared. So if we substitute this for this, we are going to have b squared minus square root of square root of 3 all squared, and this equals 0. Now from here, we are going to apply difference of 2 squared. This is an algebraic rule which says that if you have a squared minus b squared, this equals a plus b, okay, and a minus b. Now this equals this. So if we apply this rule here, we are going to have b plus square root of 3, okay, then we'll close this parenthesis, open another parenthesis, b minus square root of 3, okay, and this is what we have. We equate everything to 0. Now from here, if we apply zero product rule, the rule says that either b plus square root of 3 equals 0 or b minus square root of 3 equals 0. And this is what we have. So from here, we are going to have that b equals minus square root of 3 or b equals positive square root of 3. So we have gotten the three values of b, which is b1 equals 0, b2 equals minus square root of 3, and b3 equals positive square root of 3. Okay, now let's verify to see if these values of b will satisfy this given equation. Okay, now let's verify. Okay, verify. Now when b equals 0, let's substitute for b being equals 0. So it's going to be 0 plus 0 plus 0. And this equals 0 times 0 times 0. 0 plus 0 plus 0 equals 0. 0 times 0 times 0 equals 0. So b being 0 satisfies this given equation. Now when b equals positive square root of 3, now we are going to have square root of 3 plus square root of 3 plus square root of 3, and this equals square root of 3 times square root of 3 times square root of 3. Okay, now this is what we have here. Now from here, square root of 3 plus square root of 3 plus square root of 3 will give us 3 square root of 3. And this equals, now square root of 3 here times square root of 3 here will give us square root of 9 times square root of 3. Now from here, we have square root of 9 equals 3. So we have 3 square root of 3. So the left hand side equals the right hand side. So this one as well satisfies the given equation. Now, when b equals minus square root of 3, let's see if this will satisfy the given equation as well. So we have b plus b plus b. So we are going to have minus square root of 3, okay, plus in brackets minus square root of 3 plus minus square root of 3. Would this be equal to minus, let me write it here, minus square root of 3 times minus square root of 3 times minus square root of 3. Okay, so minus square root of 3 plus minus square root of 3 plus minus square root of 3 will give us minus 3 square root of 3. Now this equals minus times minus here is plus. Then square root of 3 times square root of 3 is square root of 9 times minus square root of 3. And from here we are going to have minus square root of 3 square root of 3. And this equals square root of 9 here is 3. So we have plus 3 here times minus square root of 3. Now plus times minus is minus. 3 times square root of 3 will give us 3 square root of 3. So you can see that the left hand side equals the right hand side as well. Thank you so much for watching to the end. Please share your thoughts in the comment section. Share this video and subscribe to this channel. Bye.